Our middle school program is International Towne, a lesson in global economics where they understand the interdependence of our world and trade and economics.
International Towne is very fun and very immersive.
That'll be 2 new Russian notes.
A very good experience in learning about different international cultures and how the world works together. I am a finance minister / customs agent for the United Kingdom, and what I do is I monitor like sales and give people stamps for when they come to the country and their passport. Each of the different areas accepts different currencies, so we can learn about more currency exchange, because there's like the Eurussia notes, the Pac Asia notes, the Amerilat notes, the Mid-Afri notes. We learned about how credit cards you still have to pay and how it's not just free money that you can use. When we were learning about like tariffs, we had to choose each round to like raise the tariffs, lower tariffs, like stay the same and things like that.
International Towne is a one-of-a-kind program that is very relevant, especially to landlocked Coloradoans, to understand the global nature of our world and their role in it. The goal is really that we get kids financially literate so that they are active participants in our free enterprise economy.
It's great memories, and it was really fun learning about like the international cultures of the different countries.